In this episode, me and my good friends and riding buddies, Michael and Patty, will prepare and start the first day of our 18-day, 5,800-mile trip. We'll prepare and pack for the trip, then head out through Arkansas and Oklahoma, hoping to make Texas before the end of the day in the 105 plus heat. Alright, I'm working on trying to get the GPS maps all done for our routes coming up for this next 18 days. We spent time weeks in advance determining where and what we wanted to see on this trip. I then created suggested routes for each day of the trip. Each day was based on the type of roads, sites we wanted to see, and city and hotels to stop at the end of each day. I purposely left 2 days without planned routes in case we couldn't ride because of bad weather, sickness, or breakdowns along the way. Alright, got the bike and the trailer ready to go. Gonna hook up the back and take it down to get gas, get ready for tomorrow, do the final touches. During my ride to get some gas, I'll make sure everything on the bike is working correctly. I use rubber bands to minimize space for packing clothes. On a trip this long, I'll pack enough clothes for 6 days. They all fit in one bag. Got the trailer packed, got gear in the garment bag, and got all CAROLYN'S gear, camera gear, and everything else we could need. Got new tires, tubes, and bearings, so the trailer's ready to roll. And that's with the trailer hitch on, and get ready to put it on the trailer. After connecting the trailer, I checked the operation of all the lights. The next thing is to get my hydration vest ready. It was above 110 degrees in Oklahoma and Texas just days before we left. After soaking it in water per the manufacturer's instructions, I usually hang it up to get rid of the excess water. I place it in a plastic bag. Then I place it and my hydration jacket in the tour pack. Believe me, wearing these really keeps you cooler in the excessive heat. Alright, it's packed up, ready to go. It's 5:45 a.m. and Michael and Patty have arrived. Well, good morning. We're getting ready to go. Oklahoma.
Resetting all the numbers in the GPS.
There you go. Oklahoma or Amarillo bound, whatever it allows us. With an early start, we miss all the morning commute traffic congestion in Memphis. Before we know it, we cross the Mississippi River into Arkansas. The Little Rock police were out in force. Guys. So where are we, guys?
South of Salt, Oklahoma.
How many miles did we drive?
350-something miles.
What time we leave?
At the butt crack of dawn.
6 a.m. What time we get here?
11:30.
All right. Ready to go into Oklahoma City.
On our way.
Ought to be fun and hot. As we got closer to Oklahoma City, the local radio station said the temperature was 107 degrees. It's hard to believe these guys are doing road construction in this heat. With Lake Eufaula on both sides of the road, we were really tempted to stop for a swim, but we kept on going. We made it to Oklahoma City. It felt like the temperature went up a bit, and I was sure glad I had my hydration vest on. Alright, we're in Elk City for dinner. It's 104 degrees still at 6 o'clock at night. We decided to stop here for some food at a local restaurant. We found us a table and cool drinks to cool down for a while. It's packed. We're the first ones here. This local restaurant had a good menu. I ordered the grilled catfish, Michael got the chicken fried steak, and Patty had one of my favorites, the fried catfish dinner. During our dinner discussions, we decided to call it a day after riding for 12 hours and riding 637 miles in the brutal August heat. We checked into a hotel here in Elk City, Oklahoma, and they were kind enough to let us park the bikes in this well-lighted area to rest after a hard day.